Say goodbye to painstaking funnel design. The genius ClickFunnels page clone tool is here to revolutionize your marketing. With a simple Chrome extension, you can clone any ClickFunnels Classic 1.0 page in seconds. 2 clicks. That's all it takes to start fine-tuning your way to success. Save hours of effort and ditch the manual copying. Funnel hacking has never been this efficient. Get alerted instantly when a page is clone ready and access the secrets of top-performing funnels effortlessly. Elevate your pages with the Super Styler. Add flair to your funnels without touching a line of code. Enjoy affordable plans starting at just $5 a month, tailored to fit every funnel builder's budget. Turn funnel construction from a chore into a chic, creative endeavor, all while staying under budget. Dominate your niche. Let the genius ClickFunnels page clone tool do the heavy lifting. Transform the way you create and compete. Unlock the genius advantage today and watch your conversions soar.